Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device for low-level changes. First, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so your computer can communicate. Once done, authorize your PC when prompted. This allows fast boot and a DB commands. Make sure to back up important data because unlocking or flashing can wipe storage. Also confirm bootloader unlockability in the manufacturer settings or docs. Finally, install the Android SDK platform tools on your computer so you have a DB and fast boot ready to run. You now unlock and prepare firmware. Use fastboot to unlock the bootloader following the OEM method. This is necessary to flash a certified image. Once unlocked, download the exact factory or certified firmware for your model and verify file names and checksums so you don't mix variants. Then flash system and vendor partitions using fastboot flash commands and relock only after confirming the device boots. This ensures the Play Protect status can be restored by installing an official, signed build. You finish by rebooting and completing Android setup, then sign into your Google account. Play Protect reads certification from the software build, so it should update. If the device still shows uncertified, clear Google Play services and Play Store data and reboot to force a recheck. Make sure Safety Net passes in developer options where applicable. If problems persist, reflash the exact official image or contact the OEM, because mismatched or custom ROMs can prevent certification and require.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.